take the first step towards cleanliness on the emco entrance matting systems. As one of the world's leading manufacturers in this sector, emco supplies products that help reduce dirt and damp from being carried into buildings. In addition to entrance mat systems and CRO clean-off floor coverings, we also manufacture highly effective promotional logo mats, grates for shaft covers, and drainage channels for swimming pool surrounds. The high quality of the products is guaranteed by the expertise of our specially trained emco staff, coupled with the use of state-of-the-art machinery and process technologies.
Der Geschäftsbereich emco
The emco division has been developing, producing and selling premium entrance mat systems for over 50 years, and the key factor for us has always been our product's functionality. We always turn to emco when we need to implement bespoke, creative solutions because the entrance area is the face of a building. emco's vast range of products and designs means that customers can find tailor-made solutions for every possible kind of architectural requirement. emco manufactures in 5 different locations: Germany, France, the Czech Republic, Turkey, and China, and is therefore able to react to exclusive customer requirements with very short lead times. We aim to be the solution provider for all of our customers' problems in the entrances to their buildings. That's why our products are as innovative and varied as the needs and wishes of our customers. We've never encountered any limitations when designing and creating buildings, as emco always has a solution for everything. I regularly work together with emco because I know their products will work. Whether it's custom-designed logo mats or creatively designed mats in special shapes, emco provides innovative clean-off solutions with great promotional impact. Together with its subsidiary CRO GmbH, emco offers reliable clean-off floor coverings, giving every customer effective reduction of dirt and damp that are perfectly matched to the building's architectural and technical requirements. Our recommended 3-zone entrance mat systems help to reduce cleaning costs, preserve a building's qualities, and avoid slip hazards. The 3-zone cleaning system is a proven system combination for effectively reducing dirt and is particularly suitable for buildings with high levels of footfall and wheel traffic. In the first zone, the coarse dirt is removed. In the second zone, the fine dirt and moisture. And finally, in the third zone, the damp dirt, so that we are able to ensure that as little dirt as absolutely possible is carried into the building. The emco Group's Research and Development Center provides the entire group with the very latest infrastructure for its various cutting-edge fields of activity. This is where we develop our entrance mats, but we also test them for their resilience so that we are able to determine just how good the quality of our mats is. emco ensures that dirt and damp are immediately stopped in the entrance area, and the division offers every designer, architect and developer an all-round service. Service means not only advice, but also measuring up and laying the entrance mats, and then advising on and helping with restoring and cleaning our mat systems, right through to changing the ribbed carpet inserts. In fact, we want to assist our customers throughout and are at their disposal as a specialist point of contact. emco, designing clean entrances.